we're gonna be talking about the, I can't read this, Heygelo Sirius Drone S90. It's a pretty cool drone.
How much was it online?
It was around 40 something. It went down because it's on sale.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, what's in the box?
In the box, there is your foldable drone, which
Yeah.
opens like this. You get 2 batteries, which slide in like that.
Yeah.
And then you have your controller, which controls the drone, And then you have a few like guards that go on these legs, so you can hit it.
Are you going to put the guards on? Are you going to fly with the guards today?
No.
You leaving the guards off?
On him, don't worry.
Okay.
So this is how you pair your drone.
Okay. Oh.
First things first, you turn on the drone, hold it for a few seconds, and these lights will come flashing on.
Uh-huh.
Next thing is to turn on the controller using this little switch here. To pair the drone, you go up and down. To calibrate the gyro, you push in like that. And then to open the motors, you do this.
Do what? What's next?
This way to unlock the motors, or if you're a wuss, you can just use the takeoff landing button.
Oh, takeoff landing.
Oh, I better.
There, it's gone.
It's gone. It died.
What happened?
Let's have some fun with this thing.
Why'd it go down?
Because I clicked the landing button over here.
Oh, okay. Wait, I didn't see that. Let's take it. Tell us about the controls.
So this is to go up in altitude. This is altitude.
Up and down.
This is rotation. And this is movement on the...
Tilting. It tilts it, right?
This is movement on the, I don't know what it's called. The Z plane? No, not the Z plane. Y.
That's like the leveling, right?
Like this way. Yeah, this way.
Yeah.
Like 2D.
Ah.
So, and this is how you open the motors. So it starts spinning. This, and you do it again, it closes it.
Mm-hmm.
And these buttons are for trimming. So if you're like in wind, you can like adjust the motor speeds.
Mm-hmm. And isn't there a thing you can attach the phone to your controller and use the phone, right? Because
it's gone.
Where is it? Let's look at it. Where is it gone? It's up there. Oh, how high are we? Bring it back. It's kind of hard to see here. Okay. It's all the way up by the tree. Get away from that tree.
This ain't good. Oh shit, the sun.
Whoa, you chopped that tree up.
And this is how you let, oh shit. Okay, there we go. You just go all the way down to land. So you hold the altitude down button. Hopefully it's hard to run the drone for us. And that's your Heygelo Sirius S90 drone. Have fun with it.
Okay.
And if you enjoyed this video, do the thing down below. And I don't know what.
Okay, but I got a question though. You can use your phone, right?
Yes.
Show me the thing. I remember you telling me it pulls up.
Yes.
And you can attach your phone on there,
you
right?
Just do that.
And it has a
and
thing?
it has a thing. You attach your phone.
And the phone snaps in there.
Yeah. And then there is a mobile app. It's called Heygelo Sirius or something.
Okay.
And then you connect your S90 drone to the phone, and you can see, because there's a camera on here.
So I was going to ask you about next.
There's a camera.
It has a camera, right?
And it can tilt down.
It can tilt down? Or
and,
it can up?
Yeah, it can do that, basically.
And can you take snap pictures and movies too?
Yes. Also, this button here is for pictures and videos. Short press to take a picture and long press to start recording a video. And if you long press again, it stops the video, I'm assuming. Also, this is speed control. It can control how fast you go.
Oh, yeah.
And
okay.
make sure to do the thing down below, okay?
Okay. Tell me about the batteries. How long did you charge the batteries?
I charged it around 30 minutes, I guess.
30 minutes?
I'm not sure.
And about how long does one battery last?
One battery lasts around 20 minutes.
About 20 minutes. Yeah. And the 2 batteries came with the package, right?
Yes.
It all came together,
Installing the battery is super easy. You just slide it So this is the battery. You just slide it up. It's you know what.
Could you show us the protective guards that go around the blades?
Sure.
All right, let's go see the protective guards that go around the blades here. There we are, back to the box. So, it has a nice box it comes with. All right?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And
So this is the.
these are protective.
Also, if you don't like the box, you can order it with the case for a little more pricey.
Oh, a carry case?
Yeah, carry case.
Uh-huh.
This is how you put on the guards. You just shove this. No. Yes. You just shove it up there, and then it snaps, and then it snaps twice, and that's how you get a guard on.
And the guards protect you from
Yes.
the blades,
Oh,
right? What
I'm
happened?
fine.
What'd you do? You
Nah, I'm
pinched
fine.
yourself?
I'm
So don't
fine,
pinch
I'm
your
fine.
fingers. It's not good.
It's not. Don't do that.
And
Don't
it
do
has
that.
landing legs there, right?
Yes, it has
It
landing
has
legs.
2 long landing legs in the front
Yes.
and shorter landing legs in the back.
Yes, it does. I'm taking this guard up because I'm
And
him.
you don't like the guards.
I'm him. Remember? I almost crashed into the tree and I chopped it.
Chop the tree up. Well, let's
chop
have fun with it.
Make
And
sure to do the thing down below. Remember,
do that
he
thing
does
down
us a
below.
favor.
Okay.